Billitier provides a great service here at the University of Rochester, both at the medical center and the campus. The nice thing about Billitier is that they're very responsive, they're very easy to work with, they provide a lot of services and a lot of engineering support. We've been caught in a couple of instances where we needed off-hours work, and we call up Billitier and we have contracted services respond to our needs immediately. Well, electric is very important here at the hospital. Number one, it's patient care and it's our assets. We have to protect our assets. We have to protect research and development. Well, Union Electrical Contractor is important to us. Number one, they're trained well. Working in the environment that we have here in healthcare, there's a lot of rules and regulations, there's a lot of regulatory things. They're trained properly, they're trained correctly, and they're very responsive to our needs. Billitier is very proactive. We've been on many projects where something has been observed or we've had something that did not seem right. Billitier has provided the expertise and the know-how to make repairs and also to add value to some of our projects. Billitier provides the highest level of professionalism. They come to work in an orderly fashion. They're neat, they're timely. They blend in with our work environment, which is hospital workers, doctors, professionals, and patients. And to walk down the hallway and see Billitier electricians, you would know that they were here. They're part of the organization. Transparency and honesty working with Billitier has been very good. We both know as an organization what we are looking for Billitier to be successful. We need to be successful and vice versa. Billitier has a great safety program and they adhere to safety practices. Hospital work is definitely unique. Once again, it's cleanliness, it's being orderly, it's being organized. I'm very confident with Billitier. They provide great service. They provide fresh ideas. They have lots of engineering experience and background from a lot of different areas in the work that they do: communications, high voltage, low voltage distribution, nurse call systems, and basic running maintenance programs, installing drives. They're very well rounded. They have a great staff that understand our needs here at the hospital, and they provide that service. Billitier is powered by confidence.